Imagine stepping into a world where your creative vision meets groundbreaking technology. As a video editor, you understand that delivering great content isn't just about having an eye for detail. It's about staying ahead by integrating powerful tools into your workflow. With our AI for Video Editors courses, you'll discover why artificial intelligence is essential for modern editing, how it can free you from tedious tasks, and the specific skills you need to work smarter rather than harder. Forget spending countless hours piecing together information from various sources. We've streamlined everything into clear, actionable steps to help you leverage AI-driven tools for automating routine jobs like automatic captions, translations, and scene detection. This means you can spend more time on the creative decisions that truly matter. You'll learn how to enhance visual quality by upscaling footage, stabilizing your shots, and performing advanced color grading with ease. Every module is tailored to make complex ideas accessible and directly applicable to the work you do every day. By exploring specialized training, you'll master the art of communicating effectively with AI tools, keep your skills sharp with regular updates, and engage with a community that shares your passion. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. When you understand how to harness these powerful tools, you stay in control of your creative journey, never compromising your unique artistic signature. For all AI for Video Editors training courses, visit completeaitraining.com.